You do not need a pergola kit to make an awesome pergola. Just buy the stuff yourself from your local home improvement store, put it together. It's going to be great. These are the post sleeves that I use for the railing. I put these over all 7 posts, including 4 long ones for the pergola posts. Oh yeah, pretty good. Hey, just to give you a quick sense of how I'm marking up these boards, what I measured up there is that the total length of the board is 12 feet. The spacing on center of each of the posts is 11 feet 5. The board is 7 inches longer than the distance of the centers of the posts, so I measured 3.5 inches from each end. So this is where our bolts are going to be driven into the post. And these marks, I marked 1.5 inches from the top and the bottom. So these 2 marks are where we're going to drill our holes for the bolts to go into. You'll notice I put in only 1 bolt in the other side at first to use as a pivot so that I can get the other side leveled before I put in the second bolt. So now I just need to add a nut and tighten it up. Alright, I've got my 4 cross members up, mounted to the 4 posts. Now I need to cut out a notch in each of them for each purlin that's going to go from back to front. If I were doing this over again, I would do this work with these on the ground, so before they're mounted to the posts. Same deal on the front cross members, except these notches are going to be a little bit deeper to make sure that the purlins slope downward away from the house. These are hurricane ties. A lot of pergola kits, like prefabbed kits with all the parts you need and so forth, they do not include hurricane ties, but they are absolutely essential. Yeah, and that's really it.